6, 5, 4. We've gone for main engine start. We have main engine start.
Ladies and gentlemen, rock and roll.
In the dazzling swirl of 1981, new wave vibes pulsated. MTV unveiled a visual revolution. With neon threads and big hair, the 80s fused style, music, and tech, new frontier in personal computing. Fast forward to the professional tool industry, where Snap-on Tools KR562A emerged, mirroring the spirit of innovation that defined an unforgettable era. The Snap-on KR562 made its first debut appearance in 1979 and continued until 1985, showcasing all-steel welded construction, long-lasting support and strength. 13 drawers and a large storage compartment provide complete storage capacity. Side drawer section has 7 drawers. Front section has 6 drawers. Features the KR402A side handle, tow bar package, floor lock mechanism, and 4 6-inch rubber tires, spring-loaded casters, 2 swivel 2 fixed. Separate cylinder locks for each drawer section, and the compartment doors can be opened with 1 key. Weighing in at 369 pounds 49.5 inches long, 26.5 inches wide, and 39.25 inches tall, providing 22,708 cubic inches and 6,231 square inches of real estate, with 2,000-pound load capacity. This would be like setting the ever-popular Ford Pinto right on top, like a cherry.
Yeah, so it's a taco wagon, and it's actually, you know, pretty cool. It needs a little work. But I can use it for storage, and I guess you know, really the main reason I got it is for that. It's going to be my workbench, and I'm literally thinking about keeping it outside. I might bring it in sometimes, whatever, but it rolls like it's on air. It really moves good with those big old spring-loaded casters. That's the good ones. So this is a newer model. This is my current workbench. This is what it's going to be. So yeah, I'm going to give her a little tune-up, and I might put covers over it, over the drawers. You know, it's not in bad shape. I probably don't need to do all this, but if they wouldn't have painted it, I probably wouldn't have, but I took and cleaned that one off, and I guess that's just the way it's supposed to be, and that's the way I like it, so here I am, tearing the whole thing apart and cleaning it. I'm probably gonna repaint it, at least take the stickers off and repaint it and make it look nicer. called Snap-on. Parts I need are of course discontinued. So I'll have to fabricate a few things, which is fine. I really wanted to keep it as original as possible, but that's not going to be a possibility in this situation. There are a few survivors out there though. Ran out of gas in the snowblower, so I put my lacquer thinner in there, and well, I tried that. It ran on it pretty good, just didn't have much power, so I siphoned her out and got some gas. Try that in the morning. I use that to siphon it out. Anyway, so I'll get some trim back on her now. I think it turned out just okay. Just okay. Got a nice shine to it. Which ain't bad. Yeah, so I think it's like 2 below here. Stayed home today if I didn't tell you. So, gotta figure out some locks. I don't want locks. I just gotta make a cylinder to turn the rod in there.